My name is Josh. I'm the factory representative for IPC Eagle. Today we're going to take a look at the 464 SmartVac. It's our 24-inch battery-powered wide area vacuum. First thing we're going to take a look at here is just the location of some of the basic components. Battery here, power plug here, fuse box here. We use a solid state charger, which is a little bit older technology, but we do that on purpose so that we can replace parts quicker and cheaper than replacing the entire mechanism. All of the actuator motors are right here right in the front, easy access. These control the broom height. When we go from different floor types, the brooms automatically adjust as needed. Vac motor back here. Also, if you turn this way, we have a 9-gallon bagless hopper. No bags to worry about. And the location for the filter is right here. We have a pre-filter with an automatic self-cleaning feature. And the filter just attaches here with these rubber strips and comes off in this cartridge here. This is a 0.5 micron filter. Standard thickness of a human hair is about 50 microns. So this is programmed to shake every 3 minutes, 6 minutes, or 9 minutes, and we can change that on the dash here, or we can turn it off and manually operate it on the dash on your own. What it will do is basically shake all of the larger debris that gets caught on this pre-filter off into the hopper so that we have continuous airflow through the filter. And it just clips on and seals quite easily, just like that. Now we'll take a look underneath. As you can see, we have a fully enclosed vacuum chamber here. We have a 150 CFM vacuum, and we also offer a chevron brush instead of a flat brush. So it acts much more like a scoop to get larger debris. You can pick up things as small as paper clips up to something as large as a pop can, depending on how it's crushed. If it's crushed flat, sometimes it'll get caught going over. If it's crushed from the top down, it'll pick it up no problem. The edging broom is attached here with a small pinch clip. We can take this on and off to change it and replace it very easily. These are grounding strips. These are necessary. This is a forward-only vacuum, so if you do pull it backwards, sometimes this will get caught in the wheel, but those are necessary and should not be removed. We have a fully adjustable handle here for storage and operation. 2 clips here, power button here. We have a voltmeter, and we have 2 settings for your brooms. We have the manual shaker operation, and then your main broom here. So when we turn the machine on, this runs at 55 decibels. So this should be easily operated without disturbing anyone during business hours. I'll operate the manual shaker so you can get a sense for this noise level. So that's shaking that filter in the back, getting all that large debris off into the hopper. And then we can take this around. On any floor surface, the brooms are measuring amp draw off the motor, and they'll adjust as needed. And sometimes on these slick floors, it's better to go faster so that we get the debris underneath the shroud. And then we'll take a look here, just from that quick little run, see what we've got in the hopper. And we picked up all the stuff that was on the floor here, all this little tiny debris. This machine will run for 2.5 hours on a charge. The charging cord fits nicely into this top little spot, and it plugs into the back of the machine here and into the wall. This machine is designed to be stored on the charger. It has a smart charger on it that will bring the battery up to full charge and then go into trickle mode and just maintain the battery for the next use. We have a battery indicator on the dash. We have red, green, and yellow. And we also have this voltmeter here. Anything 12 or above is full charge. When you get down to the 10 volt region, you're gonna start. That's gonna be time to put it back on the charger.